Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI. We just remodeled our pool, and one of my favorite additions is this LED pool light from Poolexa. It comes with a control box where you can manually control the lights. There are about 20 different color programs, or you can just press the app Bluetooth control button and control it from your phone. Here is the light when we installed it. It fit perfectly in our little niche. It's a 6-inch light and it lights up our pool very well. Here it is with the water already in there. You can see the colors changing. It is nice and bright, and the fact that it's LED, you're going to use a lot less energy compared to a regular light bulb. And during the night, it is just so beautiful. My absolute favorite thing about this light is not only how beautiful it makes the pool look, but how many options you have to customize the lighting. You can choose from the color wheel, so really your options are endless. You can set modes that are already set up for you, gradients. You can have them change colors from 3 colors or 7 colors. You can have them flash, or you can even go to the very top and select a custom mode. And when you do that, you can set up your own patterns with your own colors. So it's really nice to be able to customize it like this. You also have the option to set a timer on the app, and you can turn your light on and off. The light and the controller were also pretty easy and straightforward to install. We are so in love with this light. It brings our pool to the next level. So if you're in the market for a pool light, definitely check this one out from Poolexa. Not only is it LED, it changes colors. There's so many different options. You can even use an app on your phone to control it. It's the perfect light, and that's my point of view.